What's up guys, this is Aftab and you are watching iGadget Advisor, and today in this video we'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 in red. So if you want to buy this iPhone, the link is in the description below, so you can click on that and you can buy the iPhone 12. So as we can see that the box this time is a lot different. It's a lot slimmer and a lot thinner when compared to the previous iPhone boxes. So let's quickly remove the plastic cellophane and remove the top lid from the box and see what we have inside. So yes, we have the iPhone 12 in red, but this time the red on the iPhone 12 is not that red when compared to the previous iPhone. It is more like a coral red, but nonetheless the design is really good. It's flat edges and the thin sides, and the overall form factor of the phone is really thin, and it looks much more like the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 5s. So I think that the overall look and feel is a much more better when compared to the previous iPhone. And the other accessory we have in the box is the USB Type-C to Lightning cable, designed by Apple in California pamphlet, and no adapter and earphone in the box. So let's remove the plastic from the top of the screen, and yes, here we have the display. So this is a 6.1-inch retina display. It's a XDR retina display, which is really nice. Unfortunately, there is no 120 Hz refresh rate. It is the same 60 Hz refresh rate which we have seen in the previous iPhones. So that's all for this unboxing. It was a short quick unboxing for you all. Once again, if you want to see the original video, it's a longer video. The link is in the description below. So thank you for watching this video guys. I hope you like the video. Do rate this video up, comment down in the comment section, and again, if you want to buy this iPhone in red, the link is in the description below. Thank you for watching. This is Aftab. Have a great day.